It's all a put on. Don't believe anything he says.
Well, they got old Farmall 51 after all. Well, if you're wondering why I'm on crutches, and I got a boot here on is, I broke my foot about 22nd of December. Since then, I've had surgery on this foot 3 weeks ago. Well, the 9th of January. It got me in a boot right now. But I'm in here doing what I can with, I got some helpers. They're in here helping me get the tire put on. And I want to get it on, just have the satisfaction of seeing it put on. But yeah, the 22nd of December, I was painting the hub right behind you. This hub right here, I had it hanging up on my paint rack out there, and actually I was priming it. We come in the afternoon, and we had some family coming over for this early Christmas. I hung it up there, and I said, you know, it was somewhat decent weather. It wasn't all that cold. And I said, I'll go ahead and throw a little bit of primer on it and let that sit so we can get on painting them. The one that you just saw on the tractor, I primed that one, and then I got this one hung up. And apparently the piece that was holding it let go. This piece here fell down and hit me about where that white sticker is on my boot, about right in there. And I'm not going to put an actual picture of my foot because I demonetized the video. So I'm going to try to keep it clean as I can. I can put some x-rays on there, but you can see it hit about right there. That piece did. I said something that hurt. I mean, it hurt quite a bit. That hurt. That's a little different feel. So I actually walked over and sat down on a chair there in front of the shop. And I said, I better get my boot off and see. I had my pull-on boots, which they were not steel-toed, but where it fell, it would have fell right behind the steel toe, so the steel toe wouldn't have done anything in begin with. But it fell right behind where your actual steel toe there on the top sort of side of my foot. I'll put an x-ray in now. And you can kind of see where it hit, but pulled my boot off, and I kid you not, it had a swollen up place on the top of my foot the size of my fist in less than 15 seconds. Oh, I reckon I've done it now. So I told my son there was with me, mini Farmall 51. I had a stick or something here, and I got myself over to the truck, got in the truck, used my left foot to drive back up to the house, and I went in, and wife saw it, and she said, yep, you've done something, you broke it. And it, like I say, it didn't really bruise, but you could tell, I mean, the way it was swole. So I went to urgent care, and they x-rayed it, and yeah, it was broke. And the way it broke, the bone kind of twisted and pushed back just a little bit. And yeah, it was a different kind of break. It didn't break clean across, it just kind of at an angle. So about a week later, went and had like I said, I really no pain by then. It really wasn't hurting at all. And I was just kind of uncomfortable. And I went back in a week later. They x-rayed it, looked at it, and said, yeah, it's going to have to be set. So what they did was they took, he said, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to put pins and possible plate in it and set the bone back straight so it will, later on in life, it won't cause balance issues. Because they said, you know, it could heal like it was right now, but it would cause me to, you know, your big toe has a lot to do with your balance. He scheduled the surgery for the 9th of January. Like I say, this is the 22nd of December this happened. And so I had to hobble around on crutches until the 22nd, or the 9th of January. And I went in, and they did a surgery, all went great. Thank for all the prayers. I didn't tell it to everybody. I didn't put it on Facebook or YouTube yet. I figured I'd wait till we knew what was going on with it. And but I appreciate all the prayers, especially some friends of mine there, real close there. And surgery all went well, and I got home, and they had me in this big old wraps, like a soft cast they call it. Had to go 2 weeks with that on, and then just this past Wednesday. Today's Saturday the 27th. So this past Wednesday, I went and had that taken off, and they put me in a boot, and I can put pressure on my heel right now. And then I think in 2 weeks they'll be able to put a little bit more pressure on it. Like I say, I had some scheduled videos out and had all those set up where I knew I was going to be out for a while and not be able to get to the computer. So I thought ahead and did some videos. Even went down before having surgery and did some video and we read this bill, which we got to go back because he's got the plow completely disassembled. So, but anyway, like I said, I got 2 more weeks to go. I can put more pressure on it, and then they're going to take they actually didn't put stitches or staples in it. They had a zip line, looks like a piece of clear tape with these little look like zip ties in it. And they basically put it on there, and it pulls everything together and holds it together. So about another 2 weeks, I can take that off, and then let it be airing out more and healing better. Like I say, it's doing like it's supposed to. I hadn't been in any real pain other than a day or two after the surgery. It was a little sore. I'll be back in action. I've got people helping me video. Just bear with me. I'll have some shorts. It might not be all exciting, but I'll have some videos. Like I say, I'm in here helping, doing what I can with these hubs. But yeah, I'm lucky it didn't do anything more to my foot. Just lucky and blessed that it didn't do anything more. Didn't have to have any. Actually, when I had my checkup Wednesday, he said they x-rayed it and everything was healing like it was supposed to. But you can see in there got little screws, I guess it is. And a plate that they formed to the bone there and is holding it together, and that'll stay in there. But if y'all know from past videos or my history, I do have a plate and a bolt in my hip from when I broke my hip from the tractor accident. So yeah, tractors are trying to kill me again. You might, if you come to the farm show, you'll probably see me on crutches. I'll be there working the booth. Come and see me. I'd love to see you and get to meet you. Anyway, we'll catch you later. All right. Thanks.
We're making it all up.
I'm not making it up either.